Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to bridge BSC to Solana. So in order to do this, we are going to use this website that is called portalbridge.com. So you just have to use your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and in the search bar you simply need to type portalbridge.com. This will land you on the official website of Portal. Now over here you are going to see this type of section. Now as we want to bridge from BSC to Solana, in the from section you just have to click on this select network option, and then you just have to select BSC. After that, in the to section you need to click on the select network option and then select Solana. Then you just have to connect your wallets with it. So first you just have to click on the connect wallet button. Once you do this, you are going to see wallet connect option as well as Coinbase. Other than these, you will not be able to see any other wallets. If I type MetaMask in the search bar, you will notice that it is not showing the option relating to MetaMask. So you just have to connect your Coinbase wallet with it, or if you have any other wallet in the wallet connect, then you can click on the wallet connect option, and in this section you will be able to see all of the wallets that you can connect with it. So for this video I'm going to connect my Coinbase wallet with it. So after connecting it, you just have to tap on the second connect wallet button, and here you will be able to see all of the compatible wallets like Taurus, Phantom, Install, Solong, etc. So you just have to select the Phantom wallet over here. After doing so, you just have to select the asset. So in order to select it, you just have to click on this select button, and then you will be landed on this available token page. Now over here, if you click on this all tokens button, then it will show you the tokens that are available as well as the balance that you have in your account. If you want to add any other token, then you just have to paste the contract address of that particular token in this section, and then you just have to click on it. So let's say you want to bridge BSC to Solana of USDC. So you just have to click on USDC. Then you just have to enter the amount of USDC that you want to bridge. After entering the amount, you just have to scroll down, and then it will show you the route. So over here you just have to click on the bridge button in the bottom, and then you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to bridge from BSC to Solana. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.